Life insurance, to a great extent, has become commoditized. And the reason for that probably a lot has to do with how agents are paid. And historically, in the life insurance business, life insurance is sold and not bought. And so to incent that, the insurance companies pay a very, very large commission up front. That might range from 50, sometimes up to 70 or 80% of the first year premium is paid in commission. So as a result of that, a lot of people have gotten in the business that want to capture that first year commission. So they want to, as long as you're in there buying stocks and bonds or purchasing real estate or doing banking, they want to capture that first year commission. To receive the best benefit for the dollar spent, I believe you're better to work with a full-time life insurance agent. That person is trained. They know to ask the questions, help you determine how much life insurance you should have, who should it be on, how it should be owned, who should be the beneficiaries, what are the tax treatments of it, what product is most important, and they will be there to review it with you on a periodic basis. So for the ability to buy life insurance from multiple sources, I believe you're better served to work with a full-time professional life insurance agent. When trying to qualify an agent, I would think in terms of similar, how would you choose somebody who does your accounting or your legal work or maybe your banker? First of all, you'd want to make sure that they're academically qualified. Do they have some education in this field? Or did they just get licensed last week and they're starting a career? I want somebody who's got some designations. In the life insurance, there's a lot of different designations. Probably the one that's most recognized is the CLU designation. That's Chartered Life Underwriter, and that's equivalent to 30 college hours of credit in the life insurance field. There's also the Certified Financial Planner designation, which is a similar designation with a little broader focus. So I'd want somebody with educational background. I'd want somebody with years of experience. I want to know how long they've been in the business doing this. Has it been full-time or part-time? I want somebody, this is their career, and this is what they focus on. I want somebody that's high integrity. And how do you find that out? Well, sometimes you have to use your gut reaction. Oftentimes you check on references. Or you ask other people that you work with and you trust. Ask your advisors. A life insurance agent oftentimes interfaces with your attorney or accountant, sometimes your banker. Perhaps ask them for advice. So we've talked about education. We've talked about experience. Talked about integrity, competence. And then you want to, who's going to commit to service you? People tend to think that life insurance is a commodity and you buy a policy and you're paid and you're done. But life insurance is a dynamic instrument. It's like purchasing a stock and putting it in your drawer and never looking at it. Who would do that anymore? Life insurance companies, it's important to check their financial stability. Are they still around? Are they still working in this area? Have interest rates changed? Oftentimes people buy a term insurance policy, say for 10 years. At the end of the 10th year period, that policy may go up 400%. I want to know when that's going to happen. So you want somebody who's going to visit with you every 2, 3, 4 years and to review your situation, to make sure your marriage is still the same, the amount of children you have been in a business. Do you have creditors that need life insurance assigned to them? A number of things can change why you need life insurance. So it's important to find somebody you feel comfortable with and can work with over a long period of time. Also, you want somebody in the event of your death who's going to be comfortable working with your surviving spouse and your children. So pick somebody you trust. It's important to work with somebody who represents multiple insurance companies. The days of a career agent who just works with one company is gone. The amount of transparency and competition in the industry is intense today. So with one company, you might be a preferred risk, and another company might be a standard risk. That premium differential might be as much as 20, 30, or 40%. So you want somebody who works with multiple insurance companies. And so in your due diligence, ask that person what companies they work with, how often you place business with them. You want to make sure you've got a good look at what the competition is so you know that you've purchased the very best product for you.